Hello friends, this is Rahim Zulfikar Ali, and in this video we will learn about that how to handle the negative uh, colors in the column chart. That when we create a column chart and we have the negative numbers, so how we will control the coloring of the negative bars and the positive bars. So here I have a small data which consists of two columns. Number one is years from 2013 till 2017, and I have figures of profit and loss accordingly year wise. So in this data we have profits in the 4 years, but we have a loss in 2016. And let's create a column chart and let's see and let's learn that how to handle the red and green color for the positive and negative numbers in column chart. So in this view, in this reporting view, we will create a column chart. So I will select two fields from my data, that is profit and loss and years. Now when I click on these two fields, I have this something unexpected kind of column chart. Why? Because here the Power BI is taking years as numbers. So first we want to change the format type of these years column, and what we will do is we will select this column, we will click on this column, go to modeling tab, and then in the formatting group we will click on data type, and here we will select text. So now we have made this years as a text values, text column, and now we will fix this chart. Alright, so again from the right side in the fields pane I will click on charts, on years, and then I will get my column chart. Okay, so now I have 4 years showing me the positive trend, whereas 1 year is showing me a negative, and I want to make it a red color because it's a negative, it's a loss. So what I will do is I will drag the profit and loss column into the color saturation area. Okay, and now it's showing me in red, but we have to make it a customize. Okay, if you see that we have 4 years which are probably in a same color and the negative one in a red color, but what if I get a report or update letter on that in one of the year we have one more loss. So let's quickly do that. Let me open my Excel file, and suppose in 2014 I make positive 90 into negative 90. Okay, and I save this workbook and I close this workbook in Excel. In Power BI I just need to refresh the data. To refresh, go to home tab, click on refresh. Now your data is refreshed, and when you go to the report layout area, you see two negative bars in the column chart, which is not exactly with the same color. Why is it so? Because we have to set the parameter here, and for doing that we will go to the format, we click on format icon, and then data colors. When you expand the data colors you will see the diverging option here, which is off. We will on this diverging option. For the center we will put 0 or a kind of same color for the kind of maximum, and for the minimum we have already by default red color, but we will put a value here which will be 0, so that the color should match. We have defined the criteria in the diverging option for the minimum, center, or the maximum. For the minimum we will put the 0. Alright, now one more thing, that our horizontal axis is not correct. If I just change the formatting of this horizontal axis, and x-axis we will increase the text size. Now you can see that 2013 is on the left side and 2014 at the right side. So we have to correct this legend, this horizontal axis, this horizontal axis, not the legend, horizontal axis years. So what we will do, we will click on more options at the top right side and go to sort by and click on years, not the profit and loss. We will click on years, and now we will select ascending or descending order to make it correct. So now our chart is enabled to control the negative bars in red color, as we have defined the criteria, and the positive ones are in a different color, which is in green, teal color, you can say. And our horizontal axis is also correct from 2013 till 2017. So I hope you learned that how you can control the colors in the column chart when you have the negative numbers, right? Thank you.